Hey, good morning, everyone. Well, I just got done sharpening up my spear, and I am switching over our last mineral extractor. So hopefully we can start getting some more. Oh, I've got frags out of that one. Good. Some more stone there, because I don't want to switch Mike back over. Because it takes away something from him. Well, actually, we could. We could put him on stone because our lumber's all full right now. We're not really building anything yet. I'm going to fill this one extractor completely, and once it's full, then I'll start worrying about the other one. We got plenty of power because it's morning, and we're getting real close to our next attack, and I want to see where they're going to come from. I didn't get the sticks yet. Haven't had time. I've been trying to keep everything running, keeping the chickens going. Since our logs are pretty much full, I mean, he's... sometimes I wonder about Mike. But I'm going to go ahead and switch him now back to switch off logs because he's not really doing much on logs. We're going to go ahead and go to stones because I think he likes the stones better. And while we're waiting, oh, wow. What I like doing is I'll pull everything out and then I'll put his food back in because he will eat the potatoes. Now I could make the biofuel. Yeah, I'll make a little bit of biofuel. Maybe we got time. And that is here, if I'm right. Nope, I'm not right. I thought that was here. Maybe it's here. Because we're making bulk. And I found it much quicker to just take everything out and then put his food back in. Because it actually organizes his food a little bit better. Because now everything's a little bit more neater for him. Oops. Yeah. Because you got to click on everything one at a time anyways. Wow. I guess he doesn't like potatoes. I don't blame him. I mean, I like potatoes to a certain point. I need some biofuel for the soil extractor anyways. Oh, that fox is still hanging around out here, by the way. If you can't hear him, he's driving me insane. Oh, good timing. It's out. Not exactly good timing, but these things do run on clay soil. Oh, there's clay in that one too? I had clay in two of them? I didn't realize that. Well, we're going to store some biofuel over here. We need another one of these. Why, I don't know. Hang on to those frags. Actually, I want some clay. I'll take it upstairs. I want to make some clay bowls. We got an empty? Yes, we do. Give me that one. I wonder if I could, if it'll let me. Yeah, there's the hinges. Would it let me put one next to that one? No, I have to do my little trick. Man, that one's going to be hard to do the trick to get it next to that. Ah, I ain't going to worry about it. What I want to do is make some clay bowls after we go attack this guy. I'll just drop that clay in there for right now. Because I know we're going to get a bunch of stuff. hopefully they'll drop some Kevlar to us. Probably gonna need a new vest soon. And I want to make some mini ration packs today. There you go, Mike. I'm not sure where you're finding it, but I think they're going to attack from this side where we don't have the spike walls up, or from the very back where those aren't done yet. But that's where I'm pretty sure they're going to attack from. I haven't had a light attack in a while because I haven't used the stove. But more than likely, that's where it's going to happen. Where you guys at? I can't see you when I'm down here. All right, I heard you scream. Oh, come on. I didn't get to see you. Oh, man, you guys are all dead already? No, you're not. Oh, you guys are attacking here? I was wrong. Wow, I was dead wrong. I didn't think you guys would have attacked from over here. I guess you guys are consistent on where you want to attack from. Where's that one? Oh, always thirsty. Always thirsty. I got some more mechanical parts again. Need to build that water house. Yeah, I should have brought that fence way out here. Wouldn't have to run around that stone all the time. Oh, yeah, fox. Quick, get inside. I hate that fox. And I still think these doors are backwards. Because, I'm going back out there and I'll show you. Because this, technically, that should be on the inside. Because in the olden days, they'd put like a big wooden log in there, keep you from busting that door down. Haha, locked you out, Mike. Oh. Did you close it? Okay. Because there's one of these things out there wanting to bite me in the ankle. We don't want that. All right. I forgot what we were going to do today. Put this away for one thing. Oh, yeah, I want to make some of those mini MREs again. And I know, unfortunately, we have to slaughter some chickens. Because we used up all of our regular MREs. Well, I got to get all the, I need to, so there's a lot of things I need to do. Here, we got a junk chest. Here. Because I'm tired of carrying around stuff. Mini MREs, what did they need again? Oh my god, we gotta get into a... Okay, we need some shade. Is there shade in here? Oh, for one thing, turn your light off. I turn it off and the light it just like automatically comes on. I think it's trying to set off a light event. Okay, we need one chicken, one melon, one mushroom, one egg. Okay. Chicken, melon, mushroom, egg. See, I think there's something glitched with that. Oh, is there something wrong with the garden? These are ready to harvest. Oh, he had no room. All right. All right, I'll be with you guys in a second. I'm going to go ahead and empty all these. Okay, I am back. Look at the floor. I made a little bit more biofuel, but the rest I just threw it on the floor. I said, that's it. I'm done. This is all that was in the boxes. Nothing but potatoes. What? Oh, Mike must have been chowing out a little bit. But I made a little bit more biofuel. This is all the biofuel I made. I made 20 of them. But there was nothing else in there. He hasn't been harvesting anything. And yeah, granted, there was no room in there, but still. So I guess we're going to have to harvest melons ourselves. Which I guess is okay. I might have to change the things around. And I'm pretty sure we get 3 chicken from each slaughter. And that's 3. We got to take the axe out. And harvest. Make sure it's not the male. Female. Bye-bye, chicken. So sorry. Okay. All right, what else did we need? Such a long time. And let's see. We got our chicken. We got our melon. Mushrooms are over there. Oh, we need 3 eggs. Yeah, my way, Mike. Oh, I got eggs up there. Wow, that just took forever. I got to put in a disposal over there. All right, I do have eggs in here. Yeah, I got a few. And some mushrooms. Yep, I got mushrooms here. Give me a stack of mushrooms. And we're going to make a couple of these real quick. All right, we got 3 of these. So we got these in here because we don't have the other ones. I ate all them. They were delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Need to actually start getting more mushrooms again because these are very easy to make. They give us 50% boost. We don't have anything left to put in there? No. Is that on? Yeah, it's on. I want to make another fridge. Start stockpiling some stuff. I need a railing at the top of the stairs. I'm always running around. Now, you guys should be making another chicken soon. You got some more eggs. I will take your eggs. I took 3. I'll take 3 again. Yeah, I should have just took 3 from there because when they're in the fridge, they actually stop the timer on them. So, oh, I could have took 4. I forgot why I took the milk. Okay. Back to whatever we were doing, and I forgot what it was. Oh, yeah, he was getting us stone. How we doing on stone? Oh, Mikey. Way to go, bud. Oh, yeah, I was going to show you this. It's windy out. Oh, we're only getting 11? Wow, the last storm we had, we were getting like 42 in the wind. Yeah, well, it did say it changes. Wow, with that being like that, we can get both of these running. Hit H, we don't want the sand. Hoping to get these things up to about 1,000 frags each. Plenty of iron. Get both of these machines running. It's going to drain our power, but that's okay. I'll shut it off if time comes. We don't want the fridge to lose power. This is our secondary one. That's why there's only 22 frags in it right now. Okay, and how we doing here? Beautiful. We'll take all of that. And we will take all of that. Dump it in this one before Mikey gets back. Okay, we can move. Put it in this one. Oh, top you off, top you off. Then we'll put it in here. Okay. And we'll grab this one too. I need to make a bunch of these stone crates for downstairs, or just put a bunch of them up here, since he's running them up here. Because if we have him out, you know what? We can do that now. We got the nails. Got planks. Storage. Stone crate. Stone crate. We'll just make a bunch of these. I wish you could stack these on top of each other. That would be awesome. Actually, put this out here. Can I put that right here? Yeah. Put that there. Put that there. Put that there. Okay. Because he'll fill them up. There you go. You went upstairs with the stone to put in there. Oh my God, Mike. Hey, I don't know where he's finding the crack at, but he's definitely finding crack somewhere. Okay, let's get rid of this. I got way too much stuff up here. You know what? I'm going to turn all those into sticks. We don't need them right now. But when we do, we'll have them then. Let's grab all these planks. There's something on the road over there? Yeah, I think so. I think a bird just died again. Oh yeah, cement mixers. That's, you know, I am just call me a squirrel, man, because I just keep squirreling around on what I want to do. And it just now hit me. What's in there? Nothing. Let's move this back, because I'm going to trip over this one of these days. And go tumbling down. And I am not Humpty Dumpty. I will not have a great fall. One plank left. Nothing we can put one plank into. Oh, we got to go back down anyways. I want to get those other cement mixers going. All right, Mike, I got a big task for you, buddy. Get rid of this plank first. Yep, just one. Okay. I want more cement mixers, more cement. It's going to be more power then. We're going to need a lot more power. Yes, I'm obsessed with power. I sure am. One there. One there. One there. And what is that wall? Interior wood half wall. I want that up there. It just looks cool. Walls. Interior wood half wall. Okay, and that just takes one log, 4 planks. Okay. One log. He's not on logs anyways. 4 planks. I gotta reload that. Okay, and these also need Electrical, mechanical, iron, and screws. Oh, you know what? Oh, am I really squirreling? I was going to make some bowls because I wanted to make some onion soup to build our water up. Where'd I put that? Oh, they're over here. Wow, you know, I do this all the time. Where'd I put that? There it is. I'm pretty sure it's on here. I think it's 3. Yep. Oh, that's it? Oh, yeah, right now. And I got those on there. It's a lot better if I had the water house running for the sink. Now, those bowls are also good for if we wanted to make what do you call it? The potato stuff. Oh my God, potato paste. You need a bowl for that. All right, I'm gonna put this in here. I can. Oh, it's a ceiling. What? Really? Why can I put that there but not over here? Did I lose my? Yeah, I did. It's all right. I got some firewood here. Give me 2 of them. Yes, I know. That's why I'm putting this over here. I'm gonna get you some water. I'm gonna need lots of it anyways. Um, did I put dirty in this thing? Oh, I didn't. All right, got a little bit of water for right now. I gotta go up and get some water. All right, you know what? We have a ample amount of aluminum, which we're gonna need. Let's see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make 3 more of them because we're gonna need them. And that should be on here if I'm correct. Yep. All right. So let's get them all filled up with dirty water. No, you know what? That's going to empty that out way too fast. And that is our only source of water here. Till we can make that water house. So, we can always get our dirt. Really, dude? Come on, man. Okay, dirty water. Dirty water. Dirty water. Okay. Oh, yeah. I think, I think maybe we're going to eat one of them ration packs. Then hopefully Mike got on the ball a little bit and fired that up. And he's in the garden. And if he is, then oh well, let's go and grab a ration pack real quick. Okay, that'll give us a little bit of nutrition. All right, as soon as that's done, we just keep switching these. We'll have 5 waters. We're going to grab a couple onions and we'll make some onion soup. We'll build up our water because our water is only, what, 103, I think it is? We'll build that up a little bit more. Eating the onion soups, it gives us water and it'll help build our water up. Oh, clean water. And then we'll just store these in a box so we have all this extra water. Never have enough clean water. Wish we could store them underneath the sink. But I think Waterhouse, that's got to be it. Waterhouse and more cement mixers. That's what we need. I got actually Waterhouse, big priority with me because we can turn that on and off at any time. So we turn it on when we want water, turn it off when we don't need it. It's great for washing our hands after we butcher animals, filling up these with clean water, no longer using these things. Oh, clean water. And we need clean water to make the onion soup. You can't use dirty water. I've tried. If you put dirty water in there, it's going to have to boil till it makes clean water, and then you can make the onion soup. I actually sent a message to the developer a while back when he added onions to it that he should make liver and onions since there's liver. I thought that would be a real cool additive to the game. Not that I like liver and onions. Ugh. And since there's bacon, bacon and eggs, that would be something cool food wise to add to the game. Because we have pans, but I really don't know how hard it would be for making that into the game. Now for doing this, you just come up to the stove. You only really need 100 water. Now here, I'll use one of these. This is 200. Put it there. Now you see that's 0. That's got water in it. It took the whole 200. Now it says 199. Well, I hope that works with 199. But I thought it only needed 100. But let's go grab a couple onions. My understanding, you only need 100 water. Let's see. Did Mike start working on garden stuff? Oh, potatoes are spoiling. No, he has not. Maybe, yeah, because none of this stuff is working. Oh, man. None of this is being watered either. I think maybe number 3 is messed up. Because whenever anything is on number 3, it's not getting done. Let's reset him. I don't know where he's at. We're going to go ahead and reset him. Reset him, you just go over here and click the button. Yeah, he's only at 19 too. He's got plenty of potatoes, but that's all he's got. Oh man, where's the onions at in here? I can't even tell. I shouldn't have eaten those onions that were in there. There's potatoes. That's an onion. That one's almost done. This one's almost done. I gotta water myself. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put the water house in because these are gonna end up dying. Well, actually, they won't die, but with him not doing anything, he's still on stone. I gotta take that off there. I gotta switch that to number 1. Actually, I can go to none. Because I need that garden going. Wow, I didn't know that would backfire on me. Yeah, you know what? We're going to have to do this other waterhouse. Not that it makes a difference what direction this thing faces, but the waterhouse I'm going to put here. I don't know if it's close enough. What do we need? 12 logs, 35 planks, 10 aluminum, 8 electric. Excuse me, hiccups. We have everything. Oh, wait a minute. Grab a cart. This is 12 logs. I don't know if that's going to be close enough. Really? Chicken, I could kill you just for the chicken parts. Easily. I should have grabbed planks while I was in there. You know, that figures cart will only hold 11. All right. How many planks? 25 planks. I don't think we can hold 25. I took you off stones, so you leave stones alone. You know what? That's 20. Oh, here, how about this? Can I do this? Can I grab that one and pick this up? So, yeah, okay. Multitasking, buddy. Multitasking. I really didn't want to put this thing on yet. All right, we need 10 aluminum and 8 electrical. Okay, everything's upstairs. 8 electrical parts. Oh, got 10. That's it? Wow. I need more electrical parts. 10 aluminum. Okay. And then we have to make the box for it. Because I keep everything out of box so we can turn them on and off. Yeah, I know you're thirsty again, buddy. I should have some water on me. Because my plans got spoiled. Okay. Let's go ahead and placeables, power. Which way is the door? Well, if I'm wrong, I can just change it. Yeah, I'm wrong. I see the little lip of the door. Yeah, we'll put you way over here. And I don't need a relay on that, so screws, cobalt, copper, iron. Do we have iron in one of these? Nope. All right, screws, copper, cobalt, iron. Copper, cobalt, iron. Iron. Oh, no. Ooh. This is the goofiest build I've ever done. I keep going the wrong way. We need a wire. You know, we haven't had to make any wire yet. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. I just cursed myself. Well, actually, I haven't had to make any lighting. That's why. Okay, and now number 2. We go from here, here, and from here to there. I'm not worried about that going behind. Now, what are we looking at power-wise? Oh, we only got 23 right now? Why? And if I turn this junction on, what is this one? That's cement mixers. They're not on right now. Fridge on. Turn the stone off right now. It gives us 225. If I turn that on, okay. I want to see if that, is that reaching this? No. That is too far away. And Mike, none of them got water. That is too far away. And I don't know if it would reach that. Let's shut that off real quick. Waterhouse. All right. We got a little bit of time before the horde comes in. I'm not even worried about the horde. Let's see. What does this need? Doesn't need nails. 2 copper, 10 planks, 4 aluminum. 4 aluminum. 2 copper. And 10 planks. What? Bet you when you signed on today, you weren't expecting all this. Let's see. Is this thing functionable? Waterhouse needed and pump must be turned on. Wait a minute. Is it on? Did I turn it off? Oh, I turned it off. Let's see. Is it functionable? Okay. The waterhouse reaches all the way up to here. Okay. That does reach to here. What I was thinking, maybe if we can move it. Move the waterhouse over here. Only bad thing is getting the truck around, we got to come around the stairs. So maybe move the waterhouse over to here. And see if it's close enough to the garden. Because Mike is failing in his garden duties since I moved stuff around. Because there's no... Because if we turn the waterhouse on and off, these things would be completely full. Because it would fill them up. Even if you turn it off, they'd still be full. That onion's ready to go now. But he is not doing anything for the garden right now. I don't know what he's doing. But we can move them. Let me get these out of the way. Even though it's all hooked up, the wire would be in the way. We'd have to put a relay down to the ground or use the pole, put a pole across and a pole. Looks a little bit nicer. But just for the heck of it, we just take this, turn it like this, and set it here just for the heck of it. It ain't going to stay like that. because my OCD could not stand that. All right, and then turn this back on real quick. See if that's close enough. Is that close enough? That's close enough right there. Okay, that's where the water house would have to be here. Now let's check upstairs. See if that would be close enough for the sink. All right, is it still on? Or did I turn it back off? Yeah, it's still on. All right, we got another one here that's empty. Okay, we didn't get the message there. And that is still full there. Okay, good. So the water house would have to go there, which I can live with that because we'll be able to get the truck around without hitting it. That didn't make a difference hitting it. And what I'll probably end up doing is using those steel fences to go around it. This way it doesn't get destroyed. And we'll use the poles because we got the box there. What I'll probably do because of the height of the wire, we'll move that box to the end at that height. I'll show you what I mean. At this height. So the wire don't really look too bad like that. And we can put a pole here, like one of those electric poles. Placeable power. How tall are these things? Which way are you facing? You're facing about right. These things are made to put a light on them. How tall is... Oh, it's not really that tall. I was going to say, what we could do then is, it's a little expensive on materials, is put a relay here, relay at the top of it, run the wire across with another pole, a relay. This way the wire is going across like an electric line. But I wonder if that would be high enough to hide the truck. Where's the truck? Oh, can I get the truck through here? Let's see. Oh, you are inside the compound. How'd you get in here? Can I get through here without hitting anything? No. Of course not. I wouldn't be Gmo if I didn't hit anything. Oh, yeah, we're into the event now. Oh, I'm going to do it this way. Should have slept through the night from morning. Chicken? I swear. You know what? That chicken's going to die too. That's Mikey. Where are you guys at? What? Oh, there you guys are. Oh, you're breaking them. Good for you. Oh. Oh, this is a fake attack. Oh, these aren't upgraded. These are over here, though. Come here. You're hitting my door? Ah, I got you anyways. This attack is a false attack. Do not trust it when you only get like 2 guys. Because I did that and almost died. That it was not the real attack. Because I I was out and about, got the attack, 2 guys came. I went out and about. Next thing I know, 6 more guys came. Well, anyways, let's see. Oh, you know what? Do it this way. Put a pole next to it. I mean, it's not like the pole's going to stay there. Oh, yeah, the pole, it would be above it. So that'll work. We'll build the pole here. And I don't know if that thing would go on a foundation. We'll find out. We'll do it on the next episode. We'll build like a little foundation here. We'll make sure we got enough concrete. And because I'd rather have it on concrete. And, oh, no, that's right. It won't go on concrete. At least I don't think so. But we'll just leave it on the ground. And we'll have it face this way. And I'll end up moving these to make like a little box around it. This way, they won't hit and destroy the water house. And we'll have the nice little poles securing our electric line. I mean, these things are nice. They're even nicer when you put a light on them. Well, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end it here because my avatar looks like he needs a rest because he's almost sleep deprived. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. I'd surely appreciate it. And I will catch you guys on next Infected. This is Chimo signing out for now. Until next time. And as always, enjoy whatever games you guys play. And till then, bye-bye for now.